Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So we're starting this vlog today in the car because I am going to the gym this morning. It's like 8:15 this morning. I feel like my phone is gonna keep falling because I'm going over like hella speed bumps. Oh, obviously I'm gonna keep stopping. Oh my god, every time I go over a freaking bump, it's stopping recording. Anyways, oh my god. Anyways, I'm heading to the gym this morning, so I will see y'all when I get to the gym because my phone keeps stopping recording every time I go over a bump. I really don't know why, but anyways, yeah, I'll be back when I get to the gym. All right, I'm at the gym now, and I'm gonna try to record like some of in the gym. I don't know, like we'll see. But anyways, I'm drinking my pre-workout. Well, Oxy Shred. I don't know really if Oxy Shred is a pre-workout, but I use it as a pre-workout. And then I'm about to go in the gym and show y'all a little bit what I'm gonna do in there. Yeah. Okay, I took a shower, I did my makeup, and I changed my outfit from what I was wearing when I went to the gym. And I only did cardio at the gym today, so there wasn't that much in those clips to show because I had a limited time to work out, so I just did cardio today. And yeah, so my first client is at 2 o'clock. It's 1:40. It's 1:40 right now, so everything is already set up for her. I need to make a run to the nail supply store tomorrow because I'm running out of stuff. Hold on, my client just texted me. She's gonna be 6 minutes late. That's fine. No problem. Okay, sorry, I had to text her back. But yeah, so my first client is a short French. That's what she booked for. Let's see what she actually gets. My second client is a last minute schedule, so I'm not sure if she's actually gonna come or not, and I have no idea what she's getting, so that's kind of a wild card. And then my last client is one of my really good clients that I love so much. Sure, she's bringing her mother-in-law's daughter with her to get her nails done, so that'll probably be like a cute little set because she's only 11, so yeah, I'm sure she's not gonna get nothing too crazy. But yeah, so that's what we're waiting for. Oh, let me just show y'all. Look at these roses my man got me. Aren't they so beautiful? He always be getting me flowers to put right here. They're so freaking cute. So yeah, when my client gets here, I will be back. But also, I've been thinking about buying a camera. I wasn't gonna buy a camera until my YouTube channel got monetized. So this is like a side point, but I just wanted to say this. I wasn't gonna get a camera until I got my YouTube monetized because cameras are super expensive, and I don't know, like if I was gonna stick to this whole YouTube thing. But since I broke my phone, I'm using an older version of the iPhone because I bought this phone cash. Like I was not about to go on another plan to get another phone for like $1 million, so I bought this phone cash, and the camera is not as good, so I'm thinking maybe I have to get a camera. And I have a camera that's actually a pretty good camera, but it doesn't come with a mic. Like it comes with a mic, but the mic is terrible, so you have to like put an external mic on it, but it doesn't take an external mic, so I have to buy a brand new camera. So I'm thinking that I might get a camera. I don't know if I should sell that camera and then use the money from that camera to buy a new camera. I don't know, and I don't know anything about cameras, so if anyone watching knows anything about cameras, let me know because I really want to buy a camera. So yeah, that was just a side note, but yeah, I'll be back when my client gets here. All right, y'all, let's go get my client. Okay, so what did you want to do today? Yeah.
Okay, so I want to do, I don't want the dark line, but I want that purple.
Okay.
And then can we add the heart on the ring finger?
Yeah.
And then the letter A?
Okay, so you want a heart and the letter A on the ring finger?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. And then, is there anything you guys want to watch?
What are you watching on Netflix?
I don't watch. There's this new show I was gonna start. It's like a comedy.
Oh yeah, let's start.
I guess we could see.
And I say that not knowing or caring where you've worked. I say.
Okay, for this set, y'all, we did Frenchies, purple Frenchies, and we did these on all the fingers except the ring finger, like y'all heard in the beginning. But y'all, I just wanted to show y'all. I had to speed this up like 5 times because if y'all see how many times I had to redo this design, this is transparency, okay? And honestly, it'd be the simplest designs that you have to redo over and over and over again. I don't know if it's because I'm a perfectionist or what, but I was hating how this design was coming out. So I literally redid it. Like, please count how many times I redid this design and let me know because it's actually crazy. But I wanted to show y'all, like, real talk, how much work goes into, like, doing certain designs. And not even how much work, but just showing that, like, you're not going to be perfect on every time you try a design. Like, you're always going to mess up. You're always going to have to, like, start over. So I literally started over so many times until I got it perfectly how I wanted it. But also the issue I was having with this is combining the heart and the A and making it look nice together because it's kind of a lot to put on short little nails. But I landed on this one. It turned out super cute.
The George McCutcheon.
No, you want the other George McCutcheon.
Yes, there's a big George and a
Alright, so I just finished my first client. She was super nice and she came with her sister. She gave me a $20 tip, girl. So that was nice. Her set was $60. So she gave me $20 tip. So I made $80 from that set. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for my next client to come. I just wanted to send me her reference photo because I wanted to make sure I have enough time because I have another client after her at 6, but she didn't. So hopefully it's nothing crazy and it's something that we can get done in the amount of time that we have. Putting that in here because I don't have a lot on me. So yeah, hopefully it's something we can get done in time. Because yeah, I have another client, so we'll see what she gets done, if she even comes, because she didn't text me back after that. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these tools in the barber side, and yeah. Okay, so my client's almost here, and she sent me what her inspo is, and it's like the same thing my last client just got on, which is fine. But yeah, so not great for content, but yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna record this because it's basically the same exact thing. I'll just show you at the end what it looks like. So yeah, it's basically the same thing that my last client got, but with white and without the letter. So Frenchie's with a heart. So I'll let you all know if she tells me what the total was after I finish, and I'll show you obviously like the finished result. But I'm not gonna record it because it's literally the same exact thing. But yeah. All right, let's go get my client. Shirt today. This weather is all over the place.
Me too. That's why I got on my sandals.
Yes, girl.
I'm trying to figure out who really ran her over.
I know, right?
You act like that on the show.
No.
No, like her personality is mad different. I'm like, oh, she want to act hard now.
No, for real. Want to say it to my YouTube video?
Nah, I look terrible.
You don't.
I do. You look good, baby. Cute. A little bright blue. I look like the day I've been having. Busy ass day. But at least I got everything done.
Yeah, honestly. I know. Thank you for changing my car battery. I appreciate it.
I need it. And my allergies.
So I'm outside with my kids right now because my next client is at 6 and it is 5:35 right now. So we're just chilling outside until my client gets here. Her total for my last client was $70. Oh, excuse me, $70. So she paid me $55 because she left $15 deposit. So yeah, and I'll be back when it's time for my last client. Okay, we're getting my last client now. Okay, yeah, so what are we doing today?
You want the same shape and everything, Jesse, right?
And you can put on something if you want to watch something. Okay, and do you want that charm too on there?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
What did you want to change?
For my last client, she was super cute, super sweet. I was actually surprised that she got almond nails because she was only 11. But I'm like, okay, girl, period. So we did the almond nails. We did Frenchies. She wanted cheetah print Frenchies with a little pink bow on the middle finger. Really cute, really simple. Y'all, this set only took me an hour and a half. I'm so proud of myself because my sets usually would take like 4 hours. When I was first starting, it would take me 4 hours. So for me to be able to get a design set done in an hour and a half, I'm so stoked. So yeah, this is just me doing the little cheetah spots. I love doing cheetah Frenchies too. I honestly think they're like one of the cutest designs that are out now, to be honest. But yeah, this is how it turned out. What time? What day?
She don't care. She's all, well...
Woo, okay, y'all, I am done for the day. It's 8 o'clock. So that set only took me an hour and a half. So I've been making good timing with my sets. They've been taking me an hour and a half. Each set I did today took me an hour and a half. The second set I did today actually only took me an hour. So pretty good. I've been getting good at my timing, y'all. Because when I first started doing nails, it took me like 4 hours to do a set. So 1.5 hours, that's really good for a full set. So, oh, I'm tired. But anyways, this is like my tried and true client. She was late, like 30 minutes late, but she gave me a really good tip. So her total was $65 and she gave me $90. So yeah, I love her. She's the best. But yeah, so how much did I make today? Let's calculate this, y'all. So $90 plus, why doesn't the iPad have a calculator? All right, 90 plus, then I made $60, but that was 80. No, wait, so let me, because I have to add the deposits too, y'all. So 90 plus 60 plus, oh, plus, how do you go back? Dang it. Let me redo this. All right, 90 plus 60 plus 55 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus equals, okay, 260. So I made 260 today, and that's how many hours of work I worked. 4 hours. So 4 hours, and I made 260 divided by 4 is 65 an hour. Not bad, not bad. Thanks to my clients and their generous tips today. So yeah, that's how much I made today. Actually, let me get the rest of my money. I already gave my husband $20 to go to the package store, but any hoops. I should have gave him this one. But yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys made it to the end of the video, don't forget to leave a pink heart at the bottom so I know you're a real one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.